Annoyed with Face ID always popping up on your GCash? Let's quickly disable it. First, find the GCash app on your phone's home screen. Tap the GCash app icon to open it. Wait for the GCash app to fully load. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for this. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon. It's usually located in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. On your profile page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security. It often looks like a shield or a lock icon. Tap on Security. This will open up the security settings for your GCash account. In the security settings, you'll see a toggle switch next to Face ID or biometrics. It should currently be turned on. Tap the toggle switch to turn Face ID off. It should change color to indicate it's disabled, usually from green to gray. A confirmation message might pop up asking if you're sure you want to disable Face ID. Tap Confirm or Disable. Double check that the Face ID toggle is indeed turned off. This confirms that Face ID is now disabled for your GCash account. That's it. Face ID is now disabled on your GCash account. You'll be prompted to use your MPIN instead. Now you can log in using your MPIN without the Face ID prompt. Enjoy a smoother and potentially less frustrating GCash experience.